Today, we will explore how to generate biography articles using the bulk generation feature under Biography article. Start by clicking on bulk generation located under the Biography article section. You will need to choose the GPT version for generating your articles. We recommend using GPT-4o for the best results. In the Keywords field, enter the names of the individuals you want to write biographies about. If you would like the AI to create titles for your articles, make sure the AI-generated title option is turned on. Select the platform where you want to publish your posts. For this demonstration, we will choose WordPress. Next, choose the specific WordPress website where your post will go. Select the category under which you want your post to be published. Turn on the Schedule Post option if you want to schedule your posts. But we will not be scheduling our posts. To publish your articles immediately, select Publish. Choose the source for images that will be included in your articles. If you want to give credit for the images used, ensure the Give Image Credits option is turned on. Finally, click on Write Info Article to start generating your articles. And that's it. Your keywords have been sent off to Affpilot for article creation. Done. Now, let's take a look at one of the generated biographies. Here is the biography that Affpilot just generated for you. Thanks for watching.